create a large family-style island with integrated bench seating to combine food prep and communal dining into one social hub. Design the island at a comfortable height for both prep and seating, typically around 36 inches for counters, and a raised bar section only if you need clear separation between tasks. Extend the bench along one long side to encourage conversation and face-to-face interaction while keeping the cook connected. Build the bench with a solid subframe and use under-bench storage accessed from the kitchen side for pots, pans, or pantry bins so every inch works harder. Make the bench depth at least 18 inches for comfortable seating and consider a slightly deeper seat of 20 to 22 inches for cushions. Choose durable upholstery such as performance fabric or vinyl with a disinfectant-friendly finish and closed-cell foam cushions to resist spills and keep shape, and specify removable cushion covers for easy washing. Integrate ambient lighting under the bench toe kick using warm light strips on a dimmable circuit to create a cozy evening atmosphere without glare, and plan for integrated footrests at a comfortable height of 9 to 12 inches from the floor to support legs during long meals. For finishing materials, pick a wear-resistant countertop like quartz or a sealed hardwood that can tolerate heavy use, and detail the edge profile so it will be comfortable when people lean on it during conversation. Finally, plan circulation by leaving at least 42 to 48 inches of clearance between the island and adjacent cabinets or appliances, so movement and serving remain smooth even with a full table. Common mistakes include making the bench too shallow, which results in poor comfort and fidgeting, so extend the seat depth and test with sample cushions before finalizing. Another issue is inadequate storage planning, which leaves clutter on the island surface, so map daily workflows and allocate under-bench compartments for the most used items with labeled bins. A third frequent problem is poor lighting that makes the space feel closed and impractical after dark. So combine task lighting over the prep area with the toe kick ambient lighting and put those circuits on dimmers for flexible control. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like island bench, communal dining, so we can all find partners who fit our style and budget. We host a discussion community where neighbors and professionals exchange ideas, share photos, and solve layout questions together.